In English, the word make is a versatile verb that is used in a wide variety of contexts. Here are some common ways in which make is used in English. Create or construct. Make is often used to indicate the creation or construction of something. For example, she makes delicious homemade cookies. He made a beautiful wooden table. Cause or force. Make can be used to express causing or forcing someone to do something. For example, the teacher makes the students do their homework. The rain made us cancel our outdoor plans. Achieve or reach. It can also signify achieving a certain condition or state. For example, she made it to the top of the mountain. He made a fortune in the stock market. Prepare or cook. Make can be used when preparing food or beverages. For example, I'll make you a cup of tea. Let's make spaghetti for dinner. Manufacture or produce. In an industrial or manufacturing context, make can indicate the production of goods. For example, the company makes cars in its factory. Compose or create art. Make can refer to the creation of art, music, or literature. For example, she makes beautiful paintings. He makes music in his free time. Form an opinion or judgment. In some cases, make can be used to express forming an opinion or judgment. For example, I can't make sense of this puzzle. He makes a good point in his argument. Manufacture emotionally. Make can also be used to describe the emotional effect something has on a person. For example, the sad movie made her cry. His kind words made my day.